In this video, we'll be going over adding links to some text in your posts. So if you take a look here, we're on our page editor. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to this contact part. And if you see here, I have a sentence with contact us if you have any further information. What I want to do is add a link to the contact us part. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight contact. Now, once you highlight contact, you get this little toolbar up here with this chain link. If you're familiar with WordPress or used WordPress in the past, this is similar to the previous editor. You'll go ahead and click this link. Now, if you know the URL, you can go ahead and paste it in there. Or something that's pretty nice is if you know where you're going to be linking to, you can start typing in the page. As you can see, it already auto-populates, so you click on it, pops up. Now that you have your URL pasted in this box, you can head over here to the drop-down menu, choose to have this link open up in a new tab, and now we're all done. Apply these changes. Our contact link is nicely formatted. And if you ever change your mind and you want to remove this link, you can just select this text again and unlink the button. Now you'll see that your link has been removed.